Yes, honey, what's good, Josh? Your girl back at you with another little one too. And I feel like, do this look right, y'all? I don't know, shit. Anyway, I got some beans. I got a little northern bean with what the hell I got in here? A smoked turkey tail, just one. And then I got some cornbread. And that's the meal, honey. That's the meal. Now get into it, period. Do I need to do that yet? Child. Ooh. Ooh. I went down the wrong way. Anyway. It's Saturday, y'all. I ain't did a motherfucking thing. I took my walk. Early this morning, took my walk. Then came in and started on my beans. I didn't know what else to eat for real. You know, I got my bell peppers and onions in there. I thought it, I felt some juice get on me. I don't know. It's just one of them days, y'all. Like, ain't nothing wrong, but it's one of them days where I'm just like, I ain't doing shit. It's hot outside. Dimples ain't got no air in the damn car. I've been riding with no air all summer. Now, granted, I got the money to get the shit fixed. Oh, but it's about finding a decent mechanic. You know what I'm saying? Somewhere close to where I live. It's hot. Somewhere close by me, reliable, that ain't finna keep my car all damn week or day. Oh. Ooh, it's some good cold water. You know, it just be shit like that. And I don't like that. I was talking to one of my coworkers, and he's a guy. And I was telling him, you know, I'm just saving up for another car, whoop doop scoop, and all that shit. And he was like, and then telling him about mechanics and shit. And he was like, make sure you take a guy with you or get a man or, you know, tell your brother. And I'm just like, I don't like the fact that us as women, we have to take a man with us to go to a mechanic, to go look for a car. Like, goddamn, why y'all trying to fuck us over? Like, goddamn. It just be so much, dude. That shit's so stupid to me, dude. Some shit just so, I don't know. Like, what the fuck? How would life be if women just ran the whole fucking country? Or ran the world? Like, we run the world, period. But what would life be like? I said turkey. Because it took for a woman to help fucking free the slaves. Now, I don't know the whole backstory, whatever. Nigga, that's what they taught me in school, goddammit. It was Harriet, not Harry, bitch. You know. Dog, that shit is hot. That shit is hot, y'all. I literally just got it out the pot. Just cut the burner off. God damn. You know how shit be hot, but you want to get into it. Damn, man. I can't even eat this the way I want to eat it, y'all. Shit. Lord. These beans the way I like to eat them, hell. Yes, indeed. That's how you do it. Mix that cornbread up in the bean. Chef's kiss. All I need is a piece of fried chicken. But it's gonna be, oh. I'm finna back up off the bird, y'all, cause it's a no for me, dog. I'm trying to get my little lifestyle and all the changes and bad habits and good habits intact. And first meat I want to cut out is, because I'm slowly moving to like just pescatarianism, if that's a word, and then slowly but surely like cut out all flesh. That's the goal. Now, it's going to take some time, but chicken is the number one, the first meat to go, for real, for real. Excuse me. Chicken and pork. Now, I don't really eat a lot of pork, but I do got a rack of ribs in the freezer. I ain't going to hold you. You know what I'm saying? And I say last month maybe, or the beginning of the month, I had some pork chops. But, you know. Because I just want to be different. Like, I want to be a better version of me, you know? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at that. Look at it with that cornbread in there. Ooh, wait. I got some celery in here too, y'all. So red pepper, orange pepper, onion, garlic, celery. I forgot to put the bay leaf in there. Of course, your salt, pepper, my dash seasoning, the garlic and herb too, and that's it. Shit, it don't take much though. You know, although I cook, it don't take much to get me there. At all. It don't it don't take much at all, y'all. Ooh. Mm-hmm. I just got a fresh retire. You know my edges is you know, null and void, goddammit. But I'm really thinking about just getting a little tapered situation. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. We'll see how it look once it get longer. Like, I'm just chill and just let the hair do what it do. Because the problem areas is my sides because they scarce. And then the back, it's been 3 months since I had the sister locks. But the back, that shit is always slipping. And it'd be like, God damn, I'll be having to put that little shit, I'll be having to twist it up. Or put a little motherfucking, put shit in the ponytail, because it'd be like this whole area back here will slip. I would just be like, what the hell, y'all? But I'm ready to see what it's gonna be like. I'm paying all this motherfucking money. This shit better look good, because it's a lifestyle right here too. It's a damn lifestyle too. It's a fucking bill. If it don't work out, bitch, I'm going slick. I don't give a shit. Cut it all off. Cut it all off. I don't give a damn. At this point, like, you know, some shit just be like, you know what? I ain't got to deal with that. This is good, y'all. Damn. I hope y'all having a good weekend. Well, I hope y'all had a good week. I don't know when you're gonna see this. Get them motherfucking views up, nigga. No. No, but I hope y'all having a good Saturday. I'm finna eat this and then I'm dropping this video right now. So I hope y'all having a good one. Staying safe. Had the kids' first days of school and shit like that. I don't have any children. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, God. Ooh, thank you, Taisha. But yes, indeed. Y'all, do y'all believe in that Mercury retrograde shit? Because you know they say when Mercury is in retrograde, old people come back to your life, whether it's a lover, man or woman, a friend, or whatever the case, somebody you used to deal with. How come Mercury got her micro braids in and the nigga done popped back into my fucking life? Or trying to pop back into my life. Now I'm side-eyeing the whole situation because it's giving, very much giving, bitch, who sent you? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm making these changes in my life and I'm like, oh, is this nigga a distraction? Because why are you coming back now? Bitch, you should came back before now, motherfucker. Or bitch, it shouldn't have been no come back. It should have been, bitch, why the fuck did you leave? You shouldn't have left. You know? So I don't know now. I feel like I'm being love bombed and shit, you know? Like he doing all the shit he ain't never did before. I don't like that. I don't know how I feel about it. Goddamn, that dick so good. Goddamn, that sex is... Y'all, the sex is great. But I'm just like, I can't do it. I can't keep on doing that with you. The perfect lyrics, the perfect song for him is Almost Doesn't Count. Bitch, I can't keep on loving you 1 foot outside the door. I hear a funny hesitation from a heart that's never really show. I can't keep on trying, bitch, if you looking for more. Then all that I can give you is what you came here for. Bitch, what the fuck did you come back in my life for? And then I'm like, girl, why the fuck did you bite? So I don't know how to feel, y'all, but goddamn. I don't know how to feel. Because it's like, well, damn, am I talking myself out of something that could be a potential? But then I'm thinking about the past, and it's like, bitch, you was a dead end bike in the past. You know what I'm saying? And the past ain't that fucking long ago. So I don't know. I'm trying to be on my little sprinkle shit. But y'all, a bitch low key I be low key melting like, ooh wee. So I don't know, y'all. It's just my thing be, bitch, if we ain't dealing with each other, why you still got my number? I'm one of them. I never saved his number in my phone. I don't be saving. It depends on who the fuck it is. I don't save your number. No, not no nigga anyway. But I can remember the shit, you know. And he got a distinct number. So one day, I came back in from my walk, and I just laid on the couch. Because I'm just like, oh. I was a little busted up that day. You know, fresh off work. Then hit the walk and whoop, whoop, whoop. But during that walk, I was thinking about him. He just kind of crossed my mind. Bitch, I'm laying on the couch. And I say about an hour into me laying on the couch, this nigga sent me a long ass message. I'm talking about a couple paragraphs. I said, his baby mama might have just got into a relationship. It's how I'm feeling in my head. I'm like, oh, his baby mama might have just got into a relationship. He looking for a love. I don't know what the fuck. You know what I'm saying? Something going on in his head, and I don't really know what it is. And I ain't asking too many questions. I'm just like, oh, okay, yeah, whatever. You know, give him a little, let him take me out and whoop, do scoop. But nigga, damn, if you ain't fuck up, I'd have been, you know, I'd have had some good deed this year. Cause your girl been, ain't had none. Your girl ain't had none, and it's like, god damn, nigga, you sure picked the wrong time to pop up in the girl life. So I don't know, y'all. And let me quit talking about him before he send me another fucking message. Cause nigga, what you can do is pay this mortgage at the top of the month. If that's what you know what I'm saying? If you want to show me that you sincere and that you serious about shit, pay all these motherfucking bills, ho. For the rest of the year. That's how you do that there. Don't quit trying to feed me and shit. Oh, let's go to dinner. Let's whoop the whoop. Bitch, I don't want to eat. I'm trying to lose weight, ho. The fuck? You know what I'm saying? I'm not that fat bitch I was last year. Fuck what you heard. Anyway, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, Isha Levette. And I'll catch you again on another one.